In this video, we are going to learn some ways by which we can improve our oxygen levels at home. Hello family, I am Vivek and you are watching Fit Family TV. So the first way to improve the oxygen level is to lay down flat on the stomach, and preferably on a flat surface, not on your mattress. You need to lay down like this and keep your chin. But if you keep your chin like this without any support, the airways will not be fully open and you will not be able to breathe properly. So what you need to do is, you need to keep a pillow underneath your chin. Now place your chin on the pillow and breathe, deep breathe through the nose and exhale through the mouth. When you keep your chin on the pillow, your airways are fully open and it maximizes your air intake. So the maximum amount of air reaches your lungs and your oxygen level will improve drastically. So the second method to improve your breathing, to raise the oxygen level, is by breathing, deep breathing. So you need to sit cross-legged on the floor and remember to breathe in for 5 seconds and breathe out for 7 seconds. Inhale through the nose for 5 seconds and exhale through the mouth for 7 seconds. By this way, you will be inhaling oxygen and exhaling more carbon dioxide from the body, improving the oxygen quality in the body. Just count. Remember to keep your back straight and your chest upright. Don't round your back or sit like this. Always sit straight. Breathe again. Now breathe out. After doing all the methods that I've shown you, you can put a pulse oximeter on your finger and then you can check your oxygen levels will be improving significantly. The next way by which you will improve your breathing is with this small magic bundle. You need to smell this several times in a day. Now I'll tell you what did I put in this. Carom seeds, camphor and cloves. It's a mixture of all these. And I'll show you how did I make this. Take a clean cotton cloth, put 2 to 3 tablespoons of carom seeds, that is ajwain, and then add 7 to 8 cloves to it. Finally, add 2 to 3 pieces of camphor, that is kapoor. Tie the cloth with a rubber band to make a small bundle. When you make this bundle, then you need to rub it on your hand and smell, or you can smell this directly. And it will open up your nasal airways and clear the congestion in your chest, help in breathing nicely. The last method by which you can improve the oxygen quality around you is by keeping 2 plants, snake plant and money plant, inside your room or inside the house. Snake plant has a unique quality of converting carbon dioxide into oxygen at night, and money plant removes several air pollutants like benzene, xylene, carbon monoxide from the air around you and improves oxygen flow, making these 2 plants the best plants to improve the oxygen flow at your home or inside your room. So these are the 4 ways by which you can increase the oxygen levels and improve the air around you. Share the video as much as you can and help others. Don't forget to press the subscribe button and the bell icon to become the part of the family. I'm Vivek, you're watching Fit Family TV, you're the family.